Open Chrome and type online.manulife.com.ph/login. Then sign in with your email address and password. If you don't have account yet, you can register. Just click the option to register and then tap sign in. And you have an option here where you can receive the one-time password. You can choose either email ad or your registered mobile number. And then check one-time password sent to your email or by text. And then enter the one-time password and tap proceed. And now here you can see your overdue payment and the date. And if you want to pay online, just tap the three lines on top right corner, then payment. Tap payment and then make a payment. And here will be the details for your payment. And so far, my policies have been paid.